Hi lovelies, and welcome back to Vlogmas Day 18. This is just me getting ready. You guys remember my jewelry collection that I got a few weeks ago? My discount code has just been renewed. I have 15% off for you guys. Remember to use my link. It will be listed in the description box as well as on the screen for you guys. I'm just trying to get ready. To be honest, I was running late here, but I was just trying not to rush so that the video won't just look one kind. But anyway, this wig is from Shein. You guys remember this unboxing? This was our first collaboration. But anyway, I'm going ahead to put my niacinamide and zinc on. This is just a continuation of my skin prep from what I have on already. I already have my moisturizer and my snail serum on. I'm just going to be drying that out, and then I'm going to go in with my tranexamic acid. Honestly, you guys, adulting has been showing me shaggy. I used to be someone who didn't used to have pimples at all, but now this is my life. I recently started a full face whatever you call this in skincare. I started this about 2 months ago, and honestly, now that I have gone ahead to do this, I'm seeing the results. This is vitamin C, and this has been helping to brighten my skin. If you guys want a full skincare routine, an updated one, let me know. I do apologize for the background noise. If where I'm sounds off, please just manage me like that today. And what is my skincare if I don't apply sunscreen? It will be all for nothing. All right, so sunscreen, just to make sure that my skin is protected from the rays. Just dry that up, and that is it. I'll go in with pencil work because ever since I've started seeing results, I've stopped using foundation or concealer. So I just use my eyebrow pencil, my eyeliner, and my lip liner, and that is it. I don't even put lip gloss. I put lip gloss on my way because lip gloss is always in my work bag. But anyway, perfume to smell nice, because we cannot be looking good and be smelling awful. You guys remember my Chikio perfume from a couple of unboxings? Yeah, that was it. All right, so fast forward to my lunch break. This is all I've been doing for the past 2 days now. Well, at work, I have stopped taking food again because my appetite has gone to rubbish. So as I eat, I play games, and that's basically how I spend my break time. It's just a time to unwind and just get my mind right for the next section of calls. And once that is done, I just clear up my section, and then I proceed to do more calls. And this is basically what I do for the rest of the day. So you guys, how's everyone doing? I hope everyone is doing all right. Thank you so much for all the comments I got on my last video. You guys, your comments are giving me life, honestly. But anyway, I carry on doing work for the rest of the day, and I get carried home by the boys. They always come to get me, especially when it's starting to get dark now. Look at me lounging with my baby boy for life. What's this face that is giving me now? But anyway, just trying to tidy up and get all of our bags and everything sorted out. Everyone is having snacks before the main meal because it takes a while to cook and prepare and even decide on what to eat. But this particular day, my life was made easier because the boys had already said they wanted yam, and I was just trying to decide on how to make the yam. That's what this is about. But anyway, how do you guys do your yam and eggs? I'm going to be showing you how I do mine. So this is the yam that I bought from my African food shopping. This was a couple of Vlogmas ago. So I'm taking a third of the yam, and I'm just going to be peeling it. If you guys are still peeling your yam with knife, you are wrong. You are wrong. Try this vegetable peeler method and tell me if you are not going to be saving a lot more yams than you would be saving if you were to use the knife. And it's a lot quicker as well. I spread it up so that you guys get content. Okay, so I'm just going to be cutting that into strips because the slice method is not going to work. As you guys can see, the yam is a bit rotten in the middle, but that's okay. We'll cut around it and get what we want. But anyway, I cut that into strips, and then I prepare to just boil it. This strip method saves a lot of yam, you guys. It saves a lot. Try it out and let me know what you guys think. So I'm just going to be going ahead to boil my yam and add some salt. Some people try to put sugar in theirs. As a matter of fact, I had a bunkmate one time. She doesn't take sugar with gari or anything, but in this yam she must put sugar. I'm not one of them, so I just exclude that. So I saw this trick on Kiki Foodie's channel. She used cinnamon on her yam. I haven't tried this before. This is my first time doing it. I will let you guys know if the yam still goes moldy after this. I know cinnamon has like antibacterial properties, so this should work, right? I'll let you guys know. I'll be using the rest of the yam for something else. You guys, were having this really nice drink, and I don't know where my husband bought it from, but it's really affordable. It's £3.50 for 2 bottles, and it tasted really good. Anyway, I'm just going ahead to prep my onions and tomatoes for the eggs. If it were left to me, I will use a whole Scotch bonnet, but my family members don't tolerate heat like I do, so I'm using only half. Anyway, I put the rest in the fridge, and then I cut this up and I mince it just so that some people will not complain that they've bit into something spicy. Okay, so I just mince that and I put that to the side, and then I just get my pan ready to fry. I'm using my large wok because it just saves a long time. I'm also responding to comments as I do that. So getting the pan ready, add some oil, and before it starts to get really hot, I just put the tomatoes, the onions, and the Scotch bonnet in it. Sometimes I put garlic, but someone doesn't really like garlic among us, so I try to skip it so that everybody can have a nice meal. Okay, so I'm adding some salt and black pepper. If it were left to me, I would put my baked beans in it. My son likes to do the black pepper, so I try to leave that one for him to do while I'm cooking. He's not really interested in anything else, but I'm just trying to incorporate him into meal preps so that at least he knows the process of cooking and he's able to do this a lot more on his own. So we're just going to go ahead and crack our eggs and get that ready for the sauce as soon as it reduces. I have the heat on medium high at the moment just so that it speeds up the process. I'm adding a little salt and some black pepper just to carry on the flavors that are already in the pan. And once that is done, I'm just going to whisk that together and get ready to put that in the pan. Alright, so I got this comment from someone that said that she's actually the one who's hurries people up from my last video. Please, when will you organize masterclass for the rest of us so that we can come and learn from you? You seem to know what I don't know. Please come and help me. I need to know how to be able to get ready on a Sunday without having to be rushed. It's a serious challenge for me at the moment. But anyway, the pan is in. At this point, I turn the heat down and I check on the yam. The yam is done. I'm just going to be straining the water and getting the yam to just rest and steam. Excuse me, to get the yam to just rest and steam while the egg is cooking off. Okay, so this is just frying the egg on really low heat or medium heat just so that it cooks nice and even, and I make sure to whisk the egg properly. I'm also not turning it too much because I want the eggs to be light and fluffy. So once everything is done, we're just going to plate and serve everyone up, and that is dinner for the night. This was fun making this vlog. It was fun making this vlog for you guys. Thank you so much for watching Vlogmas Day 18. I will see you guys in Vlogmas Day 19. Thank you to everyone who has continued to click on my videos. Honestly, I will not stop saying it. I really truly appreciate you guys. I am grateful. I'll see you guys in day 19.